Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Alright? Yeah, manners and respect. So, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. First things first. I am going to present a video to you that is being talked about on social media. Now, I want you to listen to some things that a person said in this video, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that the person said in this video. Now, please bear in mind that some things that the person said in this video are considered as allegations. Let me repeat, some things that the person said in this video are considered as allegations. However, the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you. All right? Now, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, me attack, when me attack, me no fear. So if them want anything, them want try. Because perhaps when I did, it's a better life, a paradise me a go in. But the whole set of people know what I am talking about. In Tivoli Garden, Mr. George Edward Philip Siaga used to have a science man named Tapo. See? They used to do a revival meeting. That time, me used to live in a town, and me used to go down there. See, Mr. Siaga used to pop off the foul head them and suck out the blood out of it. So the people them catch them free. You see me? Because people free that Wobia in the 70s. Bad. Not like now. This is what me I say. And most of these politicians, young politician boy, where you say jump up now and get like a post and name the sweet money. You see me? Them when them say them going to foreign to look about welfare of the Jamaican people.
Well, my people, based on some things I hear the person say in the video, and in my point of view, I think that the person mentioned the last name of at least one politician. And me is the kind of person, me don't really follow up politics like that. At the first, me I hear certain things that the person said in that video. So me just I tell you like it is. Me don't want to go say certain things and then anyone go say Dancehall skilla say at this. No, me just I tell you like it is. Many comments have been made on social media about the video. And one of the reasons why I presented the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And you can also let me know what you think, alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I am going to present a video to you that have been recorded in Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show how a person attacked a person right in the presence of police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now the person attacked tried to defend himself, and one of those persons fell to the ground with viewers and subscribers. See? I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation or why the person attacked the person viewers and subscribers. However, police de-escalated the situation, at least at the time when the video had been recorded, because I don't know what happened after the video stopped recording viewers and subscribers. See? And based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I wondered why would someone attack someone, more so in the presence of police. But anyways, I want to take a look at the video and tell me what I think, and please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, and this video shows some things that some of you might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I think you're right, go! Alright! I think you have the street, too! Take your blood.
Yeah, my people. So I wondered, why would someone do something like that? Why would someone attack someone right in the presence of police just like that? You see me? Overall, nobody is supposed to attack anyone, no matter what, where, how, or the situation be. But this person clearly attacked someone in the presence of police. I wonder why. How angry was that person? What started that whole situation right there? All them things I may think about. See? But me not have much confirmed information about the whole situation, so you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Big up to my viewers and subscribers in Trinidad and Tobago. And don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. I have something I want to talk to you about, more reason with you about the next topic, viewers and subscribers. Alright? So I'm going to move on to the other topic. Now, have you ever seen a payslip for a security guard before, viewers and subscribers? Have you? Well, I have. Before me start the blogging, me see one. And the person also complain about the certain amount of hours and now get paid for certain amount of time and all certain type of thing. My people, me tell you something. Some things with the person say me feel away. Anyways, my people, I'm going to read words from a news article to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I want to please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from the news article to you, but I hope that you understand these words that I'm about to say. So, this news article basically said that security guards staged a protest in the middle of Crossroads in Kingston, Jamaica, Monday morning. See, so the news article said that the guards, meaning security guards, say they are protesting the injustice in their sector regarding years of poor treatment, long work hours without the benefit of overtime pay, and the absence of other benefits, according to workers categorized as employees under the law. Now, this news article gave me the understanding that a person said that slavery has been abolished. It is full time for it to stop. We are being ill-treated by these companies. A lot of people see the injustice and they are silent. I won't be silent. We are all human beings. Our rights should not be trampled upon. And that is what has been happening. See? The person's name had been mentioned in the news article, viewers and subscribers. Is what I say? So, I skip out the part, the viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I read in the part of the news article, and I assume that someone said these words based on the context of the news article. So, the news article said that security companies know that we are supposed to be paid, yet we have to take them to court individually. Enough is enough. It is hard for us to be standing on location for 48 hours, for 36 hours, and at the end of the day, we don't know what we are gonna do for our families. Wow, you hear them the hours there? 48 hours, 36 hours. Anyways, another part of the article said that I am not afraid, I am not a slave, and no longer will I be treated like one. See it? Yeah, my people. So here another part of the article say security guards employed in the private sector industry recently celebrated the ruling by the Supreme Court, which in effect now means they are entitled to the benefits applicable to employees. However, change has been slow in coming. Why it have a slow in coming? I'm going to go by what the news article said, my people. See? Anyways, let me read the part, So another part of the article said that the Supreme Court ruled that security guards engaged by Marksman Limited are employees and not contract workers, and that the company should begin paying its portion of National Housing Trust, that are NHT, statutory contributions immediately. See, another part of the article said that the wide-ranging labor and legal implications of the ruling theoretically implied that every over provision in law that applies to workers would be applicable to them. And the news article also said other words as well. Viewers and subscribers, these are the things where me point out some of the times when I can. You see me, I say, overall, I love do the thing, my people. Yeah, man, I love do the thing. You know, you have a lot of selfish persons out there. All right, for example, see it, as a boss, for example, you know that you have people that work for you. You know, with love in your heart, you probably would have said, Jano, a lot of them people that where I work, them have family. I wonder if we can make sure so they get certain benefits like health benefits, NHT, you know, pension, you name it, right? But you know the pension thing already. You know me just a try to make an example. You know what I mean? So all them little things that will look fun. You see me I say? Just imagine me people, and I think that a lot of construction workers can relate to what I'm about to say. See? You work on a construction site for years. They pay a little bit. When you go there, you hear say that are the pay. Alright? But however, the pay could have been more, you know. But because the boss overall for the whole construction work will go on the building or whatsoever, unfair. And then the foreman or foremen, them, unfair. You, the worker, will actually do the real work. Now get much. And then, surprise, surprise, after working a year or maybe a couple months well, when the building about to finish or the construction site is about to come to an end, maybe you see the boss and or the foreman or foremen drive up in some brand new motor vehicle or motor vehicles worth millions to, you know. Meanwhile, you might have find it somewhat difficult to send your child or children to school. Them think they're not right. At full time, them think they will stop. Why is it that the money can't share equally? Even so, why is it that the money can't share fairly? Just look at it. This is an example. Let's say $10,000 for 100 blocks. Why is it that you, the construction worker or the mason, have to lay the 100 block for $3,000 100 and $3,500 and $4,000 Meanwhile, the material costs 10, 11 and 12,000 by the 100. That's all right. How much a bag of cement? See? Them things if you look upon. You see me I say, and this is the thing, you say, until the government of Jamaica and maybe quite a number of places out there in the world start put pressure upon these kind of injustice, a lot of things now go right. And there will always be people talking about, and then maybe there will be protests and all kind of things. I think I said enough in this video. My people, let me know what you think about the things that I said. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.